Did you know that you can make ChatGPT work exactly the way you want? Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just someone who wants to customize the ChatGPT, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you step-by-step guide on how to customize your ChatGPT. So let's dive into the video. You go to the profile icon and let's customize ChatGPT. That's where you can customize the GPT. Here the first question is, what should ChatGPT call you? So I already filled in Tech. It is asking me what I do, and I'm a content creator. It is asking me about the traits that ChatGPT should have. Basing on me, I am a content creator of Tech, a YouTube channel, TikTok channel focused on app reviews, tutorials, and tech trends. And I break down features of apps like Telegram, WhatsApp, Google Apps, helping viewers understand how to use them better. I also create content on AI tools, editing apps like CapCut, social media growth strategies. My goal is to make tech easy and understand while staying updated on the trend topics. I want my GPT to help me draft engaging YouTube scripts, catchy TikTok captions, and video ideas, and content that encourages my audience. So right here we have catchy, witty. So we can include any of these by clicking to make our GPT understand more. The last question is anything else GPT should know about you. Then I prefer content that is simple, practical, and to the point. I like breaking down complex features into easy steps. My audience loves clear and engaging expressions with real-world examples. I want suggestions that align up with my video structure: intro, overview, features, visuals, pros and cons, then conclusions. Also, I like content that encourages users to interact, like asking questions or adding calls to action. So here are the advanced capabilities. We have website, DALL-E, Code, and Canvas. Also the advanced voice. So enabling this for the new chat, I have to enable it for new chats. After you click save, let's go and let me say hi. Hey, how is your content creation going? The other thing is when we go back to our custom GPT, you can insert what you want ChatGPT to know you for, what you want to always get from ChatGPT perfectly. For my case, it's content creation. But in your case, you may be a doctor, you may be a teacher, you may be working on a particular project. You can customize your GPT to serve you in a way that you like. Let me try to generate a YouTube script about an AI chatbot. Alright, let us generate. Alright, let's review our scripts. We have the intro. We're diving into the world of AI chatbots. You can see them on websites, apps, and even in your favorite messaging platforms. Okay, this is a cool intro, but you can twist it to look human. Like you need to add in some things to show that this script resonates with maybe your brand, your personality, something like that. And so the overview, this is the overview. Features, yeah, so the features, we included it in our custom GPT. We also have the visuals. So also the pros and cons, we have the pros right here, and now the cons. Yeah, so this is what we included, and that's the result that we got, and this is our conclusion. And yeah, so if you're a doctor, if you are a teacher, you're into a certain field, you can train it to understand you more. And yeah, that's how you can customize your ChatGPT. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.